The problem with hustle culture nobody warns you about. Hustle culture almost broke me. Here's what saved me. We live in a world where success means exhaustion. The more you hustle, the more you're told you're winning. But what if that's the lie keeping you stuck? If you're new here, I'm Holly, a mom and a grandmother and a business mentor who was unable to retire at the age of 70 due to so much debt. I bought into that for decades. I worked myself sick and I still couldn't retire until I saw that the most successful people, they don't hustle, they leverage. They use systems that work. They automate 24/7. They own. They are the CEO of their own business. That's what changed my life. I found a 2 to maybe 3 hour a day model with earnings of 100%. No inventory, just smart strategy, live interactive training, and real mentorship. Everything is included. No monthly overhead or expenses either, ever. If you're burned out but still stuck, this may be the shift you've been waiting for too. Comment info or go to my site, Holly Pring Daily Pay. Hustle less and live more. Questions? Shoot me an email. I will get back to you personally.